Hi there. Do you have children? Perhaps you're a caregiver, or it's an elderly family member that just wants to be independent by living alone, or has special needs such as disabilities, or in the early stage of Alzheimer's. And then you have to worry about their health and activity. Imagine if there was a better way in which you could give them the confidence and freedom to be independent without being constantly watched over by simply using your mobile technology to keep in contact. Well, meet MindMe. It's a revolutionary lightweight compact device that incorporates a mobile phone and GPS with two-way hands-free communication for your loved ones to wear around their neck. MindMe is easy to use and uses mobile as well as data technology to keep the monitored individual in contact with their family or caregivers in case of an emergency. By pressing the SOS button, MindMe sends an SMS to up to 5 pre-programmed emergency contacts with the message SOS and a Google Maps link to the individual's location. MindMe then starts to call the 5 numbers in rotation until the call is answered, so that the monitored individual can have a two-way conversation with the other person on the end of the line to explain the emergency. MindMe features a powerful speaker and microphone, such that anyone wearing it can have a clear, hands-free conversation. Don't wait. Start taking care of your loved one in a special way today. Purchase MindMe through our online store over at